In this video, I'm going to show you this really awesome but very simple tip to help to streamline your video editing process. So let's get right into it. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and you've got some clips on your timeline, if you wanted to copy and paste one of your video clips, you would typically select one video clip, you'd hold Command C and then Command V. But the problem is when you do this is it pastes the video onto video layer 1. This means if you've got video files on video layer 1, then it's just going to delete everything and replace it with that video clip that you've just pasted in, which is not what we want. So let's undo that. And instead, I'm going to show you this trick that will allow you to paste your clips onto a different video track, and you can choose which track you want to paste the clip onto. So we're going to select this first video clip. We're going to hold Command C to copy. So Command C. And over here, we've got V1 on the left and V1 on the 2. You want to deselect the second V1. So that should now turn gray. And we'll select V3. And now if we paste, the video clip should paste onto video layer 3. So we'll hold Command and press V. And there you go. The clip has now pasted onto video layer 3. And by doing so, it means we haven't deleted part of the video clips on video layer 1. Now this might seem like a very simple tip, but if you didn't know how to do this, then the workaround to this is to paste your clip all the way at the very end of the timeline where there's no video clips, and then pull it back onto the track of your choice. And this can get very long-winded, especially if you have a really big video project. So all you have to do is select the video track of your choice, but make sure that all of the lower levels are deselected. If I was to select video layer 4 and video layer 1 is still selected, if I try and paste the video clip onto the timeline, it will paste onto the lower level, which is video layer 1. So when you're doing this, you really have to make sure that all of the lower levels are turned off and gray in order for that to appear on the track of your choice. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope this helped you, and if it did, then please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.